Hello friends, in this video we will learn how to insert degree symbol in Google spreadsheet. So friends, if you need to insert degree symbol in Google spreadsheet, so there is very quick and easy method. Firstly, double click on cell where you want to insert degree symbol like this one. So double click on it. Now type this formula equal sign and type CHAR. Now type number 176, 176, then press enter. That's it. So now we have this degree symbol. So it's a very quick and very easy method to insert this degree symbol. Firstly, select and double click on the cell where you want to insert this degree symbol. Then type this formula equal sign, then CHAR, and type this number 176, then press enter. That's it. So hopefully friends you like this video. Thanks for watching. And friends, another method to insert this degree symbol using the shortcut, press Alt key and hold, then type the number 176. If you have right side number pad on your keyboard, so press and hold Alt key, then type number 176. So you will see this degree symbol. That's it. Thanks for watching.